Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the Spanish Town Depot and we are going to give you an update on a new bus service that the JUTC is going to offer. We're talking about the Rural Express Service. This will be a route between Halfway Tree and Montego Bay. Now this is a game changer for the JUTC. Usually they operate within the Kingston metropolitan area. But recently they started to expand with routes to St. Thomas, to Mandeville, and now they're going on probably what is the most profitable bus route in Jamaica, the Kingston to Montego Bay route. Now other private companies operate this route and make billions of dollars off it. The JUTC company announced recently that they are going to start a Kingston to Montego Bay route, but I'm not sure if they've actually started yet. We'll check it out and give you guys an update. Now, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. The Jamaica Urban Transit Company has announced a bold new step in expanding public transportation across the island with the introduction of its Rural Express service, set to begin on October 1, 2025. This initiative represents a significant shift for the state-owned bus company, which has traditionally focused on urban commuter transport within the Kingston Metropolitan Transport Region. By extending its reach into intercity routes, JUTC aims to position itself as a more versatile and accessible option for Jamaicans traveling between the nation's two major cities. The flagship service, designated Route 620EX, will operate between Halfway Tree in Kingston and Montego Bay, Jamaica's tourism capital. For an introductory fare of $2,000 per trip, commuters will gain access to modern premium-equipped buses designed with comfort and long-distance convenience in mind. The company has emphasized that this new offering is more than just another bus route. It is part of a broader Rural Express Routes initiative, intended to connect Kingston with major towns and cities across the island. Among the advertised benefits are affordability, reliability, and improved comfort. The $2,000 fare positions the JUTC service as an accessible alternative to private operators and domestic airlines, especially at a time when many Jamaicans are seeking cost-effective travel options. Passengers will be able to pay using the company's smart fare card or with cash, while schedules will be published online to allow for better trip planning. The initiative also promises streamlined connections across the island, hinting at the possibility of future expansions to places like Mandeville, Ocho Rios, or Negril. In conclusion, the launch of JUTC's Rural Express between Kingston and Montego Bay marks a bold and forward-looking move in Jamaica's transportation sector. If successful, it could redefine long-distance bus travel on the island by setting new standards for affordability, comfort, and safety. At the same time, it reflects JUTC's effort to reinvent itself as more than just an urban transit company, but as a national carrier with the capacity to connect Jamaicans from coast to coast. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys. Have a good day.